Well, another edition of the story behind the car. I'm at Family Arena, and today's race day, and I'm just walking through the parking lot, and pretty cool looking Mustang number 66. Did not see it run. Looks like it is all original paint, and they're using it as a race car, so rather cool. Just thought I would shoot it. Looks like some battle damage over the years, but pretty cool looking car. Interesting how they have that closed off. Ford hubcaps on a trailer, and a Ford F-250.